What if I told you that it's not your age that makes you unattractive to younger women? It's a few hidden habits that quietly destroy attraction without you even realizing it. Because the truth is, many older men actually have a natural advantage: experience, confidence, stability. But these advantages get completely canceled out by behaviors that signal the opposite. And in this video, we're breaking down the 4 habits that make older men unattractive to younger women, and more importantly, how to fix them immediately. So stay till the end because the last habit is the one most men never notice, but it has the biggest impact. The first habit is trying too hard to impress. Whether it's showing off money, status, or constantly talking about achievements, because instead of creating attraction, this often comes across as insecurity. And the reality is, genuine confidence doesn't need to be announced. It's felt through calm behavior, relaxed communication, and self-assurance. So the fix is simple. Focus on presence, not performance. Let your actions speak instead of trying to prove your value. The second habit is being out of touch with energy and lifestyle, meaning acting disconnected from current culture, communication styles, or social awareness, because attraction isn't just about age, it's about relatability and energy. And when there's a big gap in how you communicate or engage, it creates distance. So instead of trying to act young, the key is staying aware, adaptable, and open-minded while still being authentic to yourself. The third habit is overly controlling or rigid behavior, where everything has to go your way, your timing, your preferences, your structure, because while structure can be a strength, too much rigidity removes spontaneity and fun, and attraction often grows in moments that feel natural and unforced. So the solution is balance. Maintain your standards, but allow flexibility, humor, and lightness in your interactions. The fourth and most damaging habit is neediness disguised as attention, constantly texting, seeking reassurance, or trying to maintain constant contact, because this signals emotional dependence, and nothing reduces attraction faster than the feeling that someone needs your attention rather than chooses to share it. So the fix is developing independence, having your own routine, your own focus, and letting communication feel natural instead of forced. Now, here's what most men don't understand. Younger women are not looking for perfection. They're responding to how you make them feel, whether that feeling is confidence, ease, and emotional stability, or pressure, discomfort, and imbalance. And these habits directly influence that emotional experience. Another key point is that attraction is built on perception, and these behaviors shape how you're perceived instantly, often before you even realize it, which is why small changes in behavior can create a big shift in results. When you remove these habits, something interesting happens. Your natural strengths as an older man begin to stand out again. Your experience feels attractive instead of forced. Your confidence feels real instead of performative, and your presence becomes more grounded and appealing without you having to try harder. In the end, it's not about changing who you are. It's about removing what's working against you, because attraction doesn't come from doing more. It often comes from doing less of the wrong things. And when you eliminate these habits, you create space for genuine connection, respect, and interest to grow naturally. And that's what makes the real difference.